美国的副总统贺锦丽公布伊的副手，就是明尼苏达州的州长华兹。
美国副总统贺锦丽和竞选副手现任明尼苏达州的州长华兹，同齐伫咧宾州出场，现场拢是支持者的发球声，气氛热烈滚滚。
He studied at Yale, had his career funded by Silicon Valley billionaires, and then wrote a bestseller trashing that community. Come on! That's not what Middle America is. And I gotta tell you, I can't wait to debate the guy.
这个上台战略真猛，即马60岁华兹，人生的经历真丰富。因为爸爸是军人，伊17岁就加入陆军国民警卫队，就以恐怖攻击事件过，搁捌派驻海外。
I served for 24 years. I used my GI benefits to go to college and become a public school teacher. I coached football and taught social studies for 20 years.
华兹大学毕业了后，1989年到中国教册，迄年大河发生天安门事件。伊伫咧90年代嘛去过越南、日本、台湾和南韩，因为点过中国，了解中国，华兹对香港和西藏因人权的问题嘛真关注。
So let's get out there and get this done, okay?
Let's do it. Do the work in front of us. Let's win this thing.
华兹2006年竞选国会议员，打败连任6届共和党对手。伫咧担任5届议员了后，2018年以超过11%的优势当选明尼苏达州的州长，嘛伫咧任内拄到轰动全美的大规模种族抗争。
The situation in Minneapolis is no longer in any way about the murder of George Floyd. It is about attacking civil society, instilling fear, and disrupting our great cities.
多数支持者认为，选择来自摇摆州的候选人对选战可能较有优势。不过，嘛有分析讲，华兹做人真好斗阵，会当得到更较侪庄脚人和工人阶级的支持度，包括民主党的亲近感，替贺锦丽的选战带来全新的活力。
Hello， 我是雷亚。想要抢先掌握最及时的新闻资讯吗？赶快订阅、按赞、开启小铃铛，锁定华视新闻 YouTube 频道。